BSM welding machine. A reinforcement cage can be of various sizes and shapes. It can be flat or bulky, welded or tied. Modern construction is practically impossible without it, regardless of whether a residential or industrial building is being made. The equipment you see on the screen is designed for fast, almost fully automated production of a reinforcement cage. These bulky constructions are used for the production of reinforced concrete rings and tubes. The employee performs the important function of loading the machine by pushing the bars into special holes. Their number can vary from 12 to 60, in this case there are 24. The more bars are used in the production process, the stronger the structure will be. The equipment ties and welds them at the same time. The machine that you see was manufactured by experts from the German company MBK Maschinenbau. Molding machine. Nowadays, springs, clips, clamps, fasteners, and wiring products are manufactured automatically on special machines. This is an automatic bending machine specifically designed to form pieces from wire or metal tape. The machine uses stamping. This equipment is essentially requested in large-scale production as it provides a very high level of productivity. The operating principle is very simple. The machine is equipped with slides. Each of them is fitted with a tool that shapes the workpiece in a certain way. On the screen you can see a numerical control machine, which means the program includes sequences of tool impact on the workpiece that result in the creation of different products. So, all the worker has to do is run the program and then choose what elements he needs. Then the machine performs all necessary actions on its own. In addition, the program knows how much wire is needed to manufacture each product and when it is time to cut it. The standard number of slides is 8, but there may be more. It's amazing, but in 1 minute, this machine can create up to 250 elements. Although this amount of course depends directly on the complexity of the product. Bender SP1250 production line. Metal, even if it's not very thick, is extremely difficult to handle manually. Even when using tools, the person has to apply too much effort. That's why companies use specialized lines for the production of metal items. They are powerful machines that affect the metal with a force so great that it takes the required shape instantly. The resulting product seen on the screen is an expanded steel sheet. It is used for the production of floorings, fences, and containers. Sometimes the mesh serves as a reinforcement when applying plaster. Sheet metal is used to manufacture workpieces. It is delivered in the form of a long roll. The equipment extends it by itself and then performs 2 stages of processing, perforating and drawing. When it does perforating, it creates holes in the surface in a certain sequence. Drawing is a process that turns a flat piece into a hollow piece. Therefore, the result is a voluminous finished product. Before it's rolled up, the mesh is processed by a pressure roller to make it easier to transport. This makes it flatter, stiffer, and more resistant to deformation. Borghi machines. There are companies specializing in the manufacture of equipment for brush production. One of them is the Italian company Borghi, and now we're going to talk about their products. The company manufactures more than 50 models of equipment to produce a wide variety of brushes and to achieve different levels of performance in the production plant. The speed of the machines is amazing. They insert a precise number of bristles into the holes very quickly. First of all, we'd like to show you the Hepta model. It's designed for the production of toothbrushes. It has a capacity of up to 1,000 bundles of bristles per minute, producing 35 brushes every minute. Another interesting model is the automatic machine Jupiter. It's designed for brushes of cylindrical, circular or rectangular shape. Its main feature is the wide range of options, as well as the ability to drill and fill holes simultaneously. Finally, the last interesting model is Archimede. It is ideal for particularly large productions, as it produces brushes of any shape. Vacuform vacuum former. The equipment you see on the screen is the world's first digital desktop vacuum former. In 2017, it was launched on the Kickstarter crowdfunding platform. Today, the Vacuform thermoformer is very popular and allows us to admire the incredible production processes. This device is designed to create complex, bulky shapes from thermoplastic. The operating principle is very simple. The form is placed on the platform of the device. The plastic sheet is placed on top. Then the vacuum pumps the air from the space between the plastic sheet and the form, creating a high negative pressure. This pressure causes the plastic to repeat the texture of the workpiece, however imperceptible it may be. Pay attention to the size of the device. There's a reason we call it a desktop vacuum former. Usually similar processes are carried out using large, powerful industrial machines that cost at least $5,000, while the Vacuform costs only $1,000. Yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.